Alrighty y'all, we got a little 2013 PALFINGER GT55 piggyback forklift, 48-inch forks, 48-inch wide mast. KUBOTA, diesel power, hydrostatic drive, 1,280 hours on this little forklift right here, y'all. Runs, drives, and operates flawless. It's got the side-to-side slide, slides in and out. Tilt, outriggers up front to keep you stable. Little thing right here does it all, y'all. Bring it back to us. Does just what it's supposed to do, y'all. Come check it out. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southernequipmentllc.com. As always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.